everyone, how are you doing today? Welcome to Gigi Lao's kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Lao steak style or yam sin that we love to eat all the time, okay? See what I'm using today. The most important ingredient for me today is Jeow Bong. I use a lot, I know a lot of people just use like for the dip with sticky rice and stuff, but I go a little bit extra mile, okay? What I use this for my steak sauce, also for yam sin, okay? Let me show you what ingredient I have today. Let's take a look at the ingredient that I use today. We have ribeye, shallot, lemongrass, garlic, galangal, pepper, chicken flavor, fish sauce, sugar, cilantro seed, black pepper, salt. On the yam part, the salad part, I use the bell pepper, spring onion, celery, lime, tomato, and lettuce. Okay, first thing we need to do, we need to seasoning the steak first, okay? That's what my steak look like, guys. See, that look good, huh? And this is Lao style. Like you use A1 hot sauce, 57, whatever, right? But this is Jeow Bong hot sauce. กินกับ steak Lao. Wow, let's take a look at this. Okay, you're gonna put like that. Okay, the steak nice and hot, and I'm gonna go ahead sit on the side and let it rest for 5 minutes before I eat them, okay? There you go. Now we're gonna go ahead and make yum or beef salad, okay? I slice all my vegetable, so we're gonna go ahead and mix them together.ลืมอันหนึ่งเดี๋ยวกลับมาเด้อแล่นไปหลังบ้านหน่อยหนึ่งก่อนไปเก็บหอมเด้อกลับมาแล้วได้หน่อยหนึ่งไปหลังบ้าน just pick up little vegetable from my backyard the mint you can put mint cilantro you know if you want to of course Lao food you have to have like mint taste better หอมข่อยอยากให้พวกเจ้ามาอยู่ในเงินครัวมันข่อยได้ต่อนี่นะหอมหอมแก้วบอง smell that the แก้วบองกลางกา lemongrass when you taste this bite you know it's Lao steak like Lao food very good you have to try it okay very very goodกินข้าวคำแรกเขาฮู้โลดว่าเอกลักษณ์เป็นอาหารลาวเพราะว่ากินแก้วบองมาก่อนสบายYou touch this one So good. I don't know how to explain. So proud of this. แซ่บหลายแซ่บหลายลองเห็ดดูนะ มีความสุขพอมันแซ่บหลายลองเห็ดมึงเลย everybody how to cook this guy very easy Jeow Bong recipe I already make the video for you guys okay and then you just use that to go with yum or make like steak sauce I showed you already try it you're gonna love it I do and I'm really proud of this dish เผ็ดหน่อยนึง Well enjoy my video guys if you like hit like and share subscribe my channel and I see you next time I'm gonna have so many good recipes coming up okay see you guys next time bye ลาก่อน bye bye